we can use this HART signal. What is the HART signal? FSK, frequency shift keying. We can use this HART signal for sending this measured flow rate from the transmitter to the DCS system. The DCS receives this FSK signal and then converts this signal into equivalent measured flow rate, and then the DCS updates this flow rate on the computer graphics. The programming is completed. Now we will see the results. First, go to name and enter the required tag. I will enter HART variable tag now, 41TI1217CH, and press enter. This is the faceplate and it displaying the temperature reading using HART protocol. Now remove the H and again call the tag. This is for 4 to 20 milliamp faceplate, and this is also receiving the temperature reading. You see, I am receiving the transmitter process variable using 4 to 20 milliamp signal and using HART variable. On the left side we are having 4 to 20 milliamp signal faceplate, and on the right side we are having HART variable related faceplate.